Hi guys, so it's going to be a quick one today. I just want to do log multiplication and run through a single example that could really help. And we're going to be looking at 456 times 23. Random selection of an example. Okay, so with log multiplication, the trick and the mistake people often make is they don't differentiate between when they're multiplying by the 3 and by the 2. Remember that it's not just a 2, it's a 20. So our first line here will be for the 3, and our second line will be for 20. So we add an extra 0 on, and that's why when we physically do the calculation, we can just multiply by 2. Okay. Another thing is we're moving from right to left. It's not intuitive to start from the right, but the reason we do that is because we're starting with the units as opposed to starting with the tens. So if you go and do it the other way around, of course your thing is going to be nonsense because you're essentially inverting your second number. Okay, so let's start with the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So we put the 8 down and we carry the 1 up to the next number. Now you're going to look at 5 times 3. That's 15. If we add 1 that's left over from last time, it's 16. So we're going to put down the 6. Now you carry the 1 up to the next one. We're carrying the 1s because that's actually a tens column, and so it moves into the next bracket. For example, if you're doing that calculation on units, it'll then move to tens. If you do it on tens, it will move to hundreds. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Because we're at the end now, we simply place the 13 as is. Okay, now I want to look at the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. You put the 2 down and you carry the 1 up. 5 times 2 is 10, but we have 1 left over from last time, so we're going to put the 1 down from 11 and carry 1 up again. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. An important thing to remember is although we're multiplying, the numbers you carry are still going to be added to your total at the end. Okay, that's because that's actually, it's signifying one more 10, like 60 instead of 50. It's not signifying a multiplication. Once you've got this part right, now you need to add the two pieces. So what you've basically done is you've done 456 times 3 to get the first number, and 456 times 20 to get 9120. Now we've got to add those two together. 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, it's an easy one, and 1 plus 9 is 10. So you get your final answer. 456 times 123 is 10,488. Okay. Bye everyone, I'll see you guys next time.